What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited for this video because I will be unboxing the Canon 90d 18-135 lens kit. This is going to be the camera I'm going to be using to film all my videos from now on. It's been a very long time since I got the camera that I'm filming with right now. It is the Canon T5i, so this is definitely going to be a major upgrade. This camera can shoot in 4K. I bought this camera kit at Best Buy for $1,599. I will include a direct link in the description below. I'll also include some Amazon links for just the camera itself and then just the lens itself as well. Having said that, let's get right into the unboxing. Alright guys, so here we have the box. It's pretty basic. On the top we just have an image of the camera and then the name of the camera, which is the 90D 18-135 kit. And then on the front side of the box we have the same exact thing with a list of features on the bottom right corner. And then if we turn the box to the left side, we'll see what comes inside the box, which is the camera itself, the lens, strap, battery charger, and battery pack. And then it also lets you know that the interface cable is not included. And then we just have it in a couple more languages. And then the rest of the box, there really isn't much there. So let's get right into the unboxing. So we have a tab right here at the top. We're going to go ahead and slide that out. And then open it from the top. We have two flaps. We're going to go ahead and put those to the side. And then the first thing we see is this limited warranty paper. So we're going to go ahead and set that to the side. And then the next thing we get here is an instruction manual, which is a pretty thick book there. So we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side as well. And then we see a strap, which does say EOS 90D. Pretty cool. That can come in handy, especially if you're taking the camera on the go. And if you don't know how to put on a strap onto your DSLR camera, I do have a video showing you guys how. I will go ahead and link it in the description below. Definitely go ahead and check that out. The next thing we have here is where you would charge your battery. And here it is. It looks pretty cool. There's an indicator to let you know the percent of battery life that the battery pack has. So there is that. And then the next thing we have is the battery itself for the camera. We'll go ahead and open that right up just to show you guys how it looks like. And I believe it looks a little bit different than the battery pack that I'm using right now. Actually, maybe it is the same. I'm not too sure there, but we have the one battery pack. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove this, and here we should have the lens and then the camera itself. We'll go ahead and start with the lens first. So it is wrapped in plastic wrap, and then some more plastic. We'll go ahead and take it off. So this lens is the 18-135 lens. This is more for photographers. It zooms in quite a bit. So we're going to take that off, and then we have the cap at the top. You can see there. Why doesn't it fucking zoom? What the fuck's wrong with this shit? So it is locked, so we're going to go ahead and unlock it, and then you can see how much it does zoom. It's pretty cool. If you don't want the lens, you can get the camera itself for about $1,200. And then let's go ahead and check out the camera itself, which I've been waiting to see for a very long time. Obviously, I have seen them. I did see it at Best Buy when I was looking at them. But here is the body itself. Let's go ahead and move this to the side. There's nothing else inside that box. And here is the Canon 90D itself. And it looks pretty awesome. It's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. It felt a lot heavier when I was messing with it in person. And here is that flip out screen. But that basically sums up the unboxing. We'll go ahead and take off this real quick just to show you guys that. That looks real nice. So I'm super excited to go ahead and use this camera for my future YouTube videos. I may possibly make a full review on this camera in the future. I'm not too sure yet. I don't know that much about cameras to really make full reviews on them. But I did want to go ahead and do the unboxing video for you guys, just in case anyone is looking to go ahead and pick up this camera from Best Buy, since it is the holiday season. Having said that, if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.